Get ready for an exhilarating journey through the prestigious landed home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. Hi there, I'm Geryl.
And I'm Agnes. Welcome to 15 Loyang View, an Emirate designed 3.5-story intermediate terrace located in the highly sought after Loyang Villas estate in District 17.
This house sits on an approximate 1615 square feet of land and has a built-up area of approximately 3,800 square feet. A&A was completed just 3 years ago in 2021, so this home offers you a move-in ready condition that's almost as good as brand new.
Loyang Villas is a 99 years leasehold landed development by Guaco Land. This estate consists of 422 terrace houses across 4 key layout designs: Emirate, Blair, River Valley and Hill. Among these, the Emirate design, like the one we are showcasing today, is particularly popular with buyers. From January to October 2024 alone, 28 units have been transacted in Loyang Villas, highlighting the strong demand for landed homes in this area.
Beyond just being a great home, this location is unbeatable. With the upcoming Cross Island MRT line at Loyang Station, accessibility will be a breeze. And for investors, you will be pleased to know that Changi International Airport and Changi Business Park are also close by, ensuring high rental demand from expatriates and aircrew. For drivers, the TPE, ECP and PIE connects you easily to other parts of Singapore.
Most other units in Loyang Villas can typically only park one car, but the owners has cleverly altered the space where 2 cars can be parked in the car porch. Stepping inside, the first thing you'll notice is the impressive living room with its double volume ceiling. It's spacious, bright and airy, thanks to the abundance of natural light flowing in.
The elevated dining area adds a touch of elegance to this home, while the wet and dry kitchens provides plenty of space for meal preparations. There's even a helper's room and a common bathroom tucked neatly behind.
Heading upstairs, we have an open family area that's perfect for bonding time. This level also houses 2 common bedrooms, both connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. One of the unique features of this home is this outdoor terrace above the car porch, which is fantastic extension of your living space, ideal for hosting guests for events like BBQ sessions.
On the 3rd floor, we have the master and junior master bedrooms, both with ensuite bathrooms. The thoughtful design ensures privacy and comfort for all members of the family, offering plenty of space for relaxation and rest after a long day.
Finally, we have the attic, which the owner has transformed into an entertainment deck. There's an enclosed room that can be used as a home theatre or even a study that is connected to the outdoor terrace where one can unwind and soak in the serenity of Loyang Villas estate.
To recap, this is a 3.5-story intermediate terrace with a land size of 1615 square feet and an approximate built-up area of 3,800 square feet, with 5 bedrooms, multiple outdoor terraces and a fully maximized layout. This home is perfect for families looking for space, comfort and a move-in ready condition.
The A&A completed in year 2021 ensures this home feels almost as good as new, and with the convenience of nearby amenities like Loyang Point, Como Shoppies and excellent connectivity via MRT and expressways, is an excellent investment opportunity.
Interested to see this home for yourself? Contact me, Geryl, at 9278 7772 to arrange for a personal home tour.
Thank you for joining us on this tour today. We hope to hear from you soon.
AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.